Next part is factorize based on the same identity. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Now these are the terms whose factors, these are the factors. And if in the first one, what you have done, these are the factors, the product of these two is this one. So this part is the factors of this term. And now these factors, when you multiply these two, you will get this term. So if they are asked to multiply these two, instead of multiplying one by one, you will get directly this answer, you can write it. And if they are asking to factorize this term, this is the factors. These two brackets are the factors of this term. No any other way of factorizing it. So first one, 125 a cube.
Ma'am, it is your own or it's from some exercise?
From the exercise, first one. Fourth question, fifth question of exercise 3G.
Okay.
125 a cube plus b cube plus 64 c cube minus 60 abc. 60 abc is there. So now it is in the form of 3 cubes wherever you see in the question. That means it is the last identity you are using it. Is it clear? So whenever you will see cubes, but there are 3 terms, 3 cubic terms are there, then you are using the last identity. So whose cube is this? First write down these terms in this order, so that is you will get the value of a, b and c. So 125 a cube is 5a whole cube plus b cube plus 64 is a cube of 4c whole cube minus 3 into 5a into b into 4c. So does it make 60 abc? 5 3s are 15, 4s are 60. 60 abc it will make. So what are the factors of this then? So a value is here. Factors are a plus b plus c. So what is the value of a here?
5A.
5a. What is the value of b? Is b itself. And c will be
4C.
4c. So substitute a plus b plus c. That is 5a plus b plus 4c. And now second bracket a square. That is 5a whole square is 25a square plus b square plus 4c whole square is 16c square minus ab. This is a into b. Product of these two is 5ab. Now product of bc, that is minus of 4bc minus first and last product 5 into 4 20 ac. So these are the factors. That's it you will do. No simplification further. You cannot do any simplification after this. Is this clear? So write down this. This is the fifth of 5G. First write in a proper order, proper cube of whose terms is cube are these terms that you have to write down first and then factorize it. But every time whenever you are using this identity, you have to mention the identity there. You cannot directly write the answer. Identity, writing identity carries 1 mark. If completed fifth one, solve the sixth one.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ganesh, what's the answer?
Ma'am, last step. 1 second, ma'am. Last step.
Yes, Ganesh.
Ma'am, answer is A plus 2B plus 4C into A square plus 4B square plus 16 C square minus 4AB
It's not
minus
2AB.
64
It's
BC.
not 2AB. It's not 2AB. It's only AB. It's only AB. So you have a identity A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB, not 2AB. Minus BC
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
CA. So
Yes.
only product you are writing. So it will be
Okay, ma'am.
2AB.
4AB.
2AB, no. Why you are multiplying 4AB?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Then
Sorry.
minus
2AB. 64 BC.
why 64? Here it is B and C values.
Here, ma'am. 8 BC.
8 BC minus
Then 4 CA. Minus 4 CA.
CA. That's right. Rupika, next question, seventh one.
Ma'am, I'm solving.
Yes.
It's 1 plus B plus 2C
Hmm.
into 1 square plus B square plus 2C square.
C whole square, okay.
Minus B minus 2BC minus 2C.
So this expand now. 1 plus B square plus 4C square minus B minus BC minus 2C. This is the final answer.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, can I take 2 minutes break?
Yeah, fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yatin, next question for you. Yes, Yatin?
Last step, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 6 plus 3b plus 2c bracket close.
6 plus 2B plus 3C.
Ma'am, no,
Okay.
ma'am. 6 plus 3b plus 2c.
Yes. Another bracket?
Yes, ma'am. Another bracket 36 plus 9b square plus 4c square minus 18b minus 6bc minus 12c bracket close, ma'am.
Yeah. Aditya, next question.
Yes, ma'am, just doing it.
What happened, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am, the last step.
Is this much time needed for this question?
Ma'am, ma'am, it is 3a minus b plus 2c.
A minus B plus 2C
9a square plus b square plus 4c.
plus 2C
4c
4C
square plus 3ab plus 2bc minus 6ca.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, in the after the 10th question, what is the first term?
2 root 2.
Okay, ma'am.
I have a doubt there only about how to do.
Okay. Madhushri, next question.
Yes, ma'am. Last.
Can you switch on your video?
Can you see me now?
Yes.
1 minute. I'm sorry. Last. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, is the answer 2AB, sorry, 2A plus 5B plus 5B plus minus 4C into 4A square plus 25B square plus 16C square minus 10AB plus 20BC plus 8CA.
Why it is plus 20 BC?
Ma'am?
Why it is plus 20 BC?
Ma'am, because you multiplied like 5B into 4 minus C. It should be minus.
What?
I didn't
Then it
understand.
should be a minus sign, no? 5B into minus 4C is minus 20
Yeah.
BC. Then why
Yeah.
plus?
Sorry, ma'am. It's minus.
What is the identity?
Ma'am,
What is the identity?
identity is a cube. No, 1 minute. A cube minus plus B cube plus C cube into in minus 3AB is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA.
Substitute the values. What is the value of A?
Mom,
What is the value of A? 10th one.
10th one. 8. 8.
A value.
A value is 8. Two A.
2A. Why? Why it is 2A?
Mom, because 8A cube is 2.
8A cube is?
8A cube is 8A cube. Mom, I'm not able to.
And how you have done that? You told the answer right now.
Mom, I did like 2A cube, that's 8A. 2A cube plus 5B cube plus bracket minus 4C cube 4C cube plus 3 into 2A into B 5B into minus 4C.
Where you are looking at? Where you are looking at?
In the book.
No.
No, Mom, I'm looking in the book and then.
Book is down.
Mom?
Where is book? Where is your
Mom,
book?
it's beside. I'm looking from the RS Agarwal book and then.
Is that answers you are telling me?
No, Mom.
Then?
Sorry, Mom.
You don't know how from 8a cube how you got 2a when you have written the
Ma'am,
full identity.
ma'am, 8a is 2a cube.
Simple identity that also you need to copy from other place. No, that answers you what to tell. Simple thing is there. This is cube. That means a cube is 8a cube. That means what? Whose cube is that? You have to find out. And for that, why you need to check the book in the textbook. Whose cube is this?
2,
Whose
2,
cube is this?
25.
Whose cube is this?
25, 16.
16 cube is there. This is a 16th cube. Whose cube is 64?
32.
32.
No, 1 minute. 1, 2, 14. No.
Whose cube is 64c cube?
Um, 2, 16, 1, 8.
Find out 8 into 8 into 8. Unless you have RSOR book, you continue from this one, 13 onwards.
Ma'am, I am not understanding 13th one, ma'am.
Okay.
Even
Okay, I will. One second.
Mama, I have a doubt in 13th question.
Okay, I will solve. Everyone, I will solve that question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Madhushri, what happened?
I'm solving it.
Mom, in the 13th question,
Yeah.
is 2 root 2a cube the cube of root 2a?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So it is root 8 a cube.
There is root 8. No, it's root 2.
No, this is root 8 a cube plus 32 root 32 b cube plus c cube.
You have to check out whose cubes are these. 2 root 2. Root 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 and this root 2 a cube. That means this is a root 2a whole cube, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 16. We have to write in the root 2 should be there. This is 8 into 2. 16 is 8 into 2 and then one more root 2 is there. So 8 is a 2 into 2 into 2
Mom,
and this is root
4.
2 into root 2 root 2. Is that clear? 16 can be written as 8 into 2 and then this 2 has been factorized as root 2 into root 2. So the and 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. So that means whose cube is this?
2 root 2b.
2 root
2
2.
root 2. So that means it will come plus 2 root 2b whole cube plus c cube. Now minus 3 into a is root 2a into 2 root 2b into c. Does it make 12? Check. 3 into 2, 6. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 6 2s are 12. A, B, C. So 12 A, B, C, we got it. Is it clear? Whose cubes are these?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Now write the value of A is here. Root 2A. B is 2 root 2b and C is C. Then write down the identity. A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. So A is root 2A plus 2 root 2B plus C into A square. So root 2 square is
2.
2A square plus 2 root 2B whole square is
8b square.
8B square plus C square minus AB. Then its product of these two is 2 into root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4 minus BC. C into 2 root 2B, that is 2 root 2 BC minus AC value, that is root 2 AC. It's clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom,
Yes?
64 is 4 root.
4. Okay. Now you got it. So don't try to fool yourself. You're not fooling me. You're fooling yourself. Okay? Because I know. Every student I understand. If I'm not seeing you, then also I know you people. Who is landing where, that I know.
Sorry, ma'am.
So try to improve yourself, not to impress anyone. Third question clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Try this question now.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, Tanya, what's the answer? Yes? I'm not getting your voice. Trishila, what's the answer? Are you able to hear me?